if you are controlling the change process, if you are one of the leaders on this change, these are things that you need to consider. Is everybody doesn't need to be involved at the same level all from the get-go. So you determine what their involvement's going to be throughout the organization. Now, ensuring clarity of meaningful mission and vision. You really are in control of that initially if this is your change initiative that you're launching. If you've got it from somebody else, which is more likely, if you've got it from somebody else, you need to know what that vision, that mission is, and then provide the guidance to the people that you're dealing with so they can be clear on what that vision is, where you're trying to go. Ensure adequate resources are available. Like any manager, you give them a task to somebody, make sure they got the resources to accomplish it. We don't want to set anybody up for failure. Mm-hmm. We want to set them up for success. And if you keep that in mind all the way through, that's what you're doing. And anytime you're assigning a project, we're setting them up for success. And we give them what they need to be able to go and be fruitful and be all they can be. Okay. Ensure that's military. Ensure the satisfaction of the customer stakeholders. At some point, we should be doing a close on this to make sure that the outcomes were as we expected. I mention that because often we are so caught up, we're doing so many things, that when we get to the end, as soon as it's left our desk and it's done, we can focus on something else. There really is another piece, and that is to make sure, and you don't have to do it, but you should make sure it is being done. Make sure that the feedback is checked to make sure that the stakeholders got what they expected to get. So some sort of closure for yourself to make sure for the future that you're doing it right. Okay. I'm going to modify this afternoon a little bit. Now we're on page 23. Thank you. On your page 22, we did have the adapting change initiatives, and I listed something about assessing personal organizational readiness, et cetera, et cetera. Basically, when we're adapting change initiatives, there are no certain functions that we perform, excuse me. The adapting is really this part of it. I don't know why that doesn't show. The adapting is really this part up here. Modeling the change. There basically are 5 steps when we're adapting to any change. Model the change. What does modeling change mean? Walk the walk. Okay. Basically, walk the talk. We're trying